Insomnia affects 1 in 4 Americans each year, yet 75% of them recover without developing persistent insomnia. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to say will change your life. Do not forget to click the subscribe button if this is your first visit. We will be going over the top 20 tips on how to sleep better at night. Now, without further ado, let's get to the bottom of how to sleep well. 1. Making an atmosphere that will help you fall asleep. It is very important to sleep in a quiet place. Setting yourself up for a good night's sleep starts with making sure your room is dark, cool, and quiet. Getting blackout shades, using a white noise machine or fan, and choosing good clothing can all help to block out outside noise and give your body the comfort it needs. 2. Sticking to a regular sleep schedule. Routines are great for making sure you get enough rest. You are less likely to have trouble sleeping or staying asleep if you set and stick to a normal bedtime and wake-up time, especially on the weekends. This helps to sync your body's internal clock. Going through rituals before bed, like taking a relaxing bath or reading a relaxing book, tells your body it's time to start winding down and getting ready for sleep. How to get the nutrition you need at night. There is a big difference between how well we sleep and how we eat and drink in the evening. If you watch what you eat, you can lower your risk of pain and indigestion by not eating big, hot, or acidic meals in the evening instead. Your body will be able to rest instead of eating when you are lying down if you eat meals that are light and easy to digest. 4. Mindful movement. Getting the most out of our sleep health is connected to everything we do during the day, especially how much we move and exercise. Incorporating thoughtful moving into your daily life could be the secret to getting a good night's sleep, because it can improve our sleep and make sure we spend more time in the deep, restorative parts of the sleep cycle. Exercise can help us sleep better. Also, regular exercise lowers the chance of getting sleep problems like insomnia and sleep apnea. This makes exercise both a protective and active step on our path to better sleep. Aside from making us stronger and more flexible, yoga can also help us feel more calm and peaceful in our minds. Together, breath and exercise help us focus and gently push away the day's worries that won't go away. As you get ready for sleep, do a number of gentle stretches. This can help ease muscle tightness and help you relax both physically and mentally. 5. Dealing with your jumbled thoughts. For example, writing in a journal or meditating before bed can help you deal with worry and anxiety. This works as a barrier to protect your peace of mind from the ups and downs of everyday life and help you effortlessly fall asleep. 6. Napping. Getting restful without giving up sleep at night. People sometimes think that napping is a sign of laziness because we live in a society that values being active and awake all the time. The best length of a nap depends on the person and what they want to achieve. A short power nap of 10 to 20 minutes can help you feel better quickly by keeping you in the lighter stages of sleep so you don't wake up feeling sleepy. Choose a place that is dark, quiet, and cool to help you relax. If you can't lie down because you're at work or somewhere else, closing your eyes, taking deep breaths, and relaxing for even a short time can help. Make sure your nap isn't too close to bedtime, or it might keep you from sleeping at night. As a general rule, you should only take naps in the early afternoon. 7. Getting enough sleep at regular times. For sleep quality that stands out, sticking to a regular schedule is important. You can make it more likely that you will have restful and healing sleep by timing your sleeping and waking hours with your body's daily cycle. 8 places of peace for the time before bed. Setting up a sacred pre-sleep practice can help separate the stresses and stimulations of the day from the calm of your night routine. This will allow your mind to drift off to a deep sleep without any interruptions. 9. Being mindful on what to eat at night. If you are mindful about your evening meals and choose foods that are easier on your digestive system, you can reduce the number of times you might wake up during the night and create an internal environment that is more relaxing and good for sleep. The quiet and peace of not having screens. It's very important to stay away from screens an hour before bed. The blue light that screens give off can stop your body from making melatonin, which can stop your body from knowing it's time to sleep. 11. Limit caffeine intake. The best way to make sure that the stimulating effects of drinks like coffee, tea, and soda don't keep you up at night is to set a caffeine limit, usually in the early afternoon. Caffeine can stay in your body for a few hours, and it can still make it hard to sleep even after the more obvious effects have worn off. 12. Take a close look at your current mattress and pillows. Because your mattress and pillows are the base of your sleep, they should be both comfortable and supportive. Checking and, if necessary, fixing your sleeping surfaces to make sure they meet your body's needs can make a huge difference in the quality of your sleep. 13. Understand and use the benefits of relaxation techniques. The pursuit of a good night's sleep often leads us through a labyrinth of thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations that can sometimes be more hindering than helpful. Progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, and breathing exercises that help you slow down and deepen your breath are all good friends that can help you unwind from the stress of the day and get your mind ready for a good night's sleep. Techniques for relaxing are very helpful for calming down both the body and the mind before going to sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation lets you consciously tighten and relax your muscles, which can help your body relax after a long day of worry. Use guided imagery to take your mind to peaceful settings that will melt away your stress. To help your body feel calmer, try quiet breathing exercises like the rhythmic breathing of 4-7-8. You should also do mindfulness meditation to calm your mind down and guide it away from distracting thoughts towards a peaceful rest. Including these easy but effective habits in your nightly routine could help you sleep better every night. Or write down your thoughts every night. You should keep a notebook next to your bed so that you can write down any chores or thoughts that come to mind in the middle of the night. As a metaphor, this will put those thoughts to rest until the morning and give your mind a chance to relax. 15. Make your bedroom a comfortable place to sleep. You should only use your bedroom to sleep, so it should be a peaceful place. As soon as you walk into your bedroom, you should immediately think of rest. Keep your work, exercise, and fun activities away from where you sleep. Every day, try to work out for at least 20 minutes. Regular exercise has numerous positive effects on health, one of which is the ability to induce shifts in energy use and temperature that can lead to more restful sleep. The vast majority of specialists agree that strenuous activity should be avoided in the hours before going to bed since it may interfere with your body's capacity to adequately wind down and prepare for sleep. 17. Limit the amount of liquids you drink in the hours before bed. You might want to limit how much liquid you drink in the hour before bed to cut down on how many times you have to get up during the night to go to the toilet. You'll be able to sleep better after this. 18. Add a way to wind down to your daily schedule. You can tell your body that it's time to switch from the energy of the day to the stillness of the night by having a set routine for winding down that includes things like reading, light stretching, or a soothing bath. And find out more about the possibility of sleep disorders. If you wake up at night for no reason, it could be because of a deeper sleep disorder like sleep apnea or restless leg syndrome. It is very important to get help from professionals if you want to do good management and research. D. Change the way you think about sleep to be more positive. Last but not least, if you want to be successful, you need to have a good outlook on sleep and be patient. Keep in mind that getting into good sleeping habits is a process that will take time and ongoing work, so be sure to recognize and enjoy your progress along the way. The trip you go on with your sleep is very unique and changes you deeply. All the things you do to get a better night's sleep will not only make your nights better, but they will also give your days more energy, focus, and life. These 20 ideas should help you get to a place where you can sleep well and have a lot to do during the day. If you thought it was interesting and helpful, like, share, and subscribe so that we can post more interesting videos for you. Have a peaceful night, and may your sleep give you the strength to get through until we meet again. Take care now.